Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have a pleasant morning to start the day today as we get into a stretch of some very nice weather for at least the next 4 days with just a few clouds out there this morning. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we have high pressure dominating much of the eastern part of the country at the moment. That boundary that was in the area yesterday has since pushed off the coast and will continue to do so as we go throughout the day. We do have this boundary that is off to the north. That will be a dry boundary associated with a slightly stronger high pressure system that's building across southern Canada and the northern part of the country. That will help to push another shot of cooler air in the area for as we get into the weekend, keeping things nice and pleasant as we go throughout the weekend. Looking at current conditions, as of 8 a.m. this morning, we just have a broken deck around 25,000 feet. Otherwise, winds are light out of the northwest at 4 knots, temperatures at 66 degrees, and relative humidity is at 72%. If we look at the current visible satellite at the moment, we just have those high clouds that are streaming through the area. They will continue to do so as we go throughout the day today, with maybe a few cumulus developing, but otherwise those clouds will start to move off the coast as that boundary moves off the coast. Winds are fairly light across the region at the moment and will continue to be that way as we go throughout the day today. If we look at the European model, just looking at cloud cover, as we don't expect any active weather as we go through at least the next 4 or 5 days. We can see just some high clouds in the area as we go throughout the day today, and then as we get into the evening, we'll see those start to push off the coast as that boundary moves further away and further off the coast, setting up for a mostly clear evening as we go throughout our Wednesday evening. And then starting the day on Thursday, we'll start off mostly clear to mostly sunny. And then as we go throughout the day today, we could see some fair weather cumulus building as we get into the afternoon hours, and then we'll see those start to dissipate as we go into the evening, again setting up for another nice and mostly clear evening, a little on the cool side as we go through the evening hours. And as we go into the day on Friday, expecting just a few high clouds around the area as that boundary that I mentioned a moment ago starts to push into our region, bringing us just some clouds and another little shot of slightly cooler air going throughout the day on our Friday, setting up for a pleasant weekend. So if we look at the short-term 24-hour weather risk chart, green across the board for weather risk, expecting temperatures to get up to about 81 today, very pleasant and not humid day today. As we go throughout the day today, we'll see the winds pick up just a smidge out of the northwest at 5 to 10 knots, with a few peak gusts up to 15 or 16 knots. And then we'll see those winds calm down again as we go into the evening, coming west at 2 to 7 knots around midnight. And we'll see the low temperature bottom out around 63, with the winds becoming northwest as we get into Thursday morning at around 6 to 11 knots. Otherwise, expecting mostly clear or mostly sunny conditions as we go throughout the day today, with just a few cumulus developing and some high clouds in the area. And we'll see those start to dissipate as we go through the overnight hours, with just a few high clouds to start the day on our Thursday. Tides are running slightly above normal at the moment. If we look at the next couple of days, Thursday expecting a mostly sunny day, becoming partly cloudy with those cumulus developing in the afternoon, but still plenty of sunshine in the area, but a seasonable day with just a slight breeze, expecting a high around 80 degrees. As we go into Thursday evening, expecting a mostly clear to partly cloudy evening, pleasant with a low around 58. And going into Friday, expecting a mostly sunny day, pleasant. We'll see those winds shift to become out of the northeast or more onshore as we go through Thursday evening and into Friday. So we'll just have a light onshore breeze for our Friday, expecting a high around 79, so not expecting to get out of the upper 70s for our Friday. Otherwise, green across the board for weather risk. And that will wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.